students. I am Mrs. Ramana Tilagam, your social science teacher. I hope you all attended the previous social science class last Friday. Let us enter into the lessons. Today we are going to see about the topic of prehistoric Tamil.
Prehistoric Tamilagam. Lower Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. What is Lower Paleolithic period? The Lower Paleolithic period, also known as the Earlythic period, also known as the Early Stone Age. It is the first archaeological period in prehistory. One of the oldest Stone Age tools in the world, made by human ancestor called homines, had been produced in Tamil Nadu. These stone tools are found near the Chennai region at several sites, especially at Adirapakkam. The archaeological excavation at this site and cosmic rays explored dating for the artifacts suggest that people lived there about 1.5 to 2 million years ago. The Kosathalaya River is one of the major craters of human ancestors in the world. The people who lived here belong to the species of Homo erectus. The oldest Stone Age tools were found at Adirapakkam near Chennai. According to the archaeological excavations and the cosmic rays explored dating that the people lived there about 1.5 to 2 million years ago. The Kosathalaya River is the originate in Pallipattu in Tiruvallur district. It is considered the major cradle of human ancestor. Archaeological excavations. It refers to the digging undertaken to recover archaeological evidence such as stone tools, potteries, animal bones, and pollens in order to understand the past lifestyle of humans. Archaeological excavation means a dig in a site being studied. There are collected the evidence. What is cosmic rays explorer dating? A method in which explore to cosmogenetic rays is done for dating the samples. In 1863, Sir Robert Bruce Flood, a geologist from England, first discovered Paleolithic tools at Pallavaram near Chennai. There are the earliest finds of such tools in India. Hence, the hand axe assemblages were considered the Madras stone tool industry. The tools that have discovered are now housed in Chennai Museum. The earliest Paleolithic tools are found in Pallavaram by Englandman Sir Robert Bruce Flood. Now the tools are housed in the Chennai Museum. Discovered many stones and tools and he classified in the periods. The Paleolithic people hunt animals and gathered the naturally available roots, nuts and leaves. They did not have knowledge of iron and pottery makings, which developed much later in history. The Paleolithic people were hunters and gatherers. They hunt and gather the naturally available foods. They did not knowing about anything iron and potteries. Hand axe and clavers are the important tool types of the Lower Paleolithic period. These tools fitted with a wooden and bone handle were used for cuttings, freezing and digging. The people of this period also used hammer stones and spade. The quartz pebbles and cobbles were chosen as raw materials. The tools are found in the soil deposits and also in the explored riverside. They occur at Pallavaram, Gundiyam Cave, Adirapakkam, Vadamadurai, Irumaivettipalayam and Parikulam. People were used hand axe and clever from the cutting and digging, and there were hammer stones also used. These tools are found in the riverside. The Lower Paleolithic tools are also found in the North Arcad and Dharmaburi district. The people belongs to this period used basalt rocks for manufacturing artifacts. However, the southern part of Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka do not have evidence of the Lower Paleolithic culture. Basalt rocks or igneous rocks are those formed from the molten lava from the earth. It is otherwise called the primary rock or the mother rock. The lower Paleolithic culture is dated to about 2 to 1.5 million years at Athirapakam. This cultural phase continued in other parts of India up to 30 lakhs years ago. Middle Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. The period of Middle Paleolithic were 3,85,000 to 1,72,000 years ago. People changed their tool size into small. In the course of time, the Middle Paleolithic culture emerged during 3,85,000 to 1,72,000 years ago. The tools type of this period underwent a change and smaller artifacts were used. Coarse, flax, scraps, knives, borders, revolution flags, hand axe, and clavers are the artifact types of this period. Compared to the previous phase, these tool types became smaller in size. So the people changed their tools size into smaller. Evidence for the Middle Paleolithic culture can be observed with some part of Tamil Nadu. In the southern part of Tamil Nadu at T. Pudupalli and Sivarakotai, artifacts of the Middle Paleolithic tools have been collected. Also near Tanjavur and Ariyallur, similar artifacts have been found. Evidence for the Middle Paleolithic are found in only some part of Tamil Nadu, thus the Pudupalli and the Sivarakotai, Tanjavur and Ariyallur. Mesolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. In many parts of the world and some part of the India, the Upper Paleolithic culture succeeded the Middle Paleolithic culture. There is no evidence for the Upper Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu, but the people who used microlithic or small stone artifacts lived in many parts of Tamil Nadu. Mesolithic culture in the archaeological Mesolithic is a period between the Upper Paleolithic and the Lower and the Neo-Paleolithic period. There is no evidence for the Upper Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu, but microlithics as small Stone Age people lived in Tamil Nadu. Athirapakam and Kudiyam cave aided both early and middle Paleolithic artifacts. Seeing this culture period occurred between Paleolithic and Neolithic culture, it is known as Mesolithic culture or Middle Stone Age. So, this period is occurred between the Paleolithic culture and Neolithic cultures. So, it is called the Middle Stone Age or the Mesolithic culture. Evidence for the exceeding the Mesolithic hunter-gatherers is found at Chennai, North Arcot, Dharmaburi, Salem, Coimbatore, Ariyallur, Tiruchirappalli, Pudukottai, Madurai, Sivagangai, Tirunelveli and Kanyakumari. The terrace sites near Thoothukudi have evidence for microlithic artifacts. These sites have red sand dunes and terrace. What is terrace? These sites have red sand dunes. It is called terrace. The people of this period used small artifacts made on chalk and quartz. The tool types of scrapers, lunars and triangulars. These people hunted wild animals and gathered fruits, nuts and roots from their subsistence. So these people are knowing about hunting the wild animals and they gathering the foods. Scrapers. What is scrapers? Scrapers are tools used for scraping the surface. Scrapers are similar to the tools used in the kitchen for removing the skin of vegetables. Triangles. Triangles are the tools in a shape of triangles. Lunars. Lunars is also the tools in a shape of crescent. Neolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. It is a period of Neolithic culture is 2000 BC to 1000 BC. It was called the New Stone Age. People used polished stone. Occupation of the people was domestication and cattle rearings. They had knowledge about the cultivating the crops. They were made own houses for lived in their villages. The culture that domesticate animals and cultivated crops is called Neolithic. It is known as the New Stone Age. The Neolithic people used polished stone axe called scythes. Cattle rearing was their main occupations. They lived in small villages with houses made of thatched roof and wall. Evidence of Neolithic village is found at Puliyambali in Belur district and a few sites in the Dharmaburi regions. So these people knowing about cultivation of crops. Puliyambali is a village in Belur district of Tamil Nadu. The earliest evidence of the domestication of animals and cultivations of plants is found at this site, which was excluded by the Archaeological Survey of India. Evidence for pottery making and cultivation of the horse gram and green grams has been found in this village. So the peoples are cultivating some types of crowns in that period. Iron Age or Megalithic period. The period of Iron Age was 1300 BC to 500 BC. The culture period that succeeded the Neolithic is called the Iron Age. As the name suggests, people used iron technology. It preceded the Sangam Age. The Iron Age was a formative period and the foundation for the Sangam Age was laid in this time. During the Iron Age, many parts of Tamil Nadu were occupied by people and exchange relationship developed among the people. So the period of Iron Age was 1300 BC to 500 BC. This age was formative and foundation of the Sangam period. In this period, all over the Tamil Nadu were occupied by peoples. The people had the knowledge of iron, bronze and gold. They were using the ornamentals and potteries. The people of the stage had knowledge of metallurgy and pottery making. They used iron and bronze objects and gold ornaments. They used a shell ornament and the beads made of cordials and quartz. The evidence of Iron Age is found at many sites including Adichanallur in Thuthukudi district, Sanu near Marudandagam and Sitranavasal near Pudukottai. Megalithic burial sites are found in the whole of Tamil Nadu. Lemuria is a name of the hypothetical lost land variously located in the Indian and Pacific Ocean. It is an Indian legend to have been civilized for over 20,000 years with its population speaking Tamil. The archaeological researchers revealed that at least a section of people may have been lived continuously in South India, including Tamil Nadu from the Mesolithic and Neolithic time. Megalithic burial type. Megalithic burial types. The Iron Age is also known as Megalithic, since people created burial with large stones for the dead people. Within this burial, the skeleton or a few bones of the dead persons were placed along with the grave goods, including iron objects, cremaglian beads, and brazen objects. Some of the burials do not have human bones and they have only the grave goods. They may be called memorial burials. Megalithic burial types. People used large stones for creating the burials. In that burial, some of the other objects also buried beside of the dead bodies. Graveyards. What is graveyard? There are the objects placed at the burial along with physical remains of the dead. People may have believed that these could be useful in the afterlife. Egyptian pyramids also have the similar artifacts. Similar burials were also built in the early historic period, the Sangam age. The Sangam literature mentioned the various burial practices of the people. The Megalithic burial are classified domes, crysts, mehers, rocket caves. The burial types of Kodakal, Topical and Padithikal are found in Kerala. Domains, table-like stone structures were erected as flooding monuments. Crest or stone enclosure buried under the earth. They were created by placing 4 stone slabs on the side of one on top on each other. The crest and domains have opening called potholes. Urns and pottery jars were used for burying the dead. Scrapages or the burial receptacles made of terracottas. They sometimes have multiple legs. Mehars. Mehars are the pillar-like stones erected as part of the burial or memorials. What is pathols? The pathols are holes found in the crest and the domains of the one side. May have act as entrance of the burials. There is a view that they were meant for the movement of the soul or spirit. The mehars have been added from the heroes of the Iron Age. The tradition of the hero stone might have begun in the Iron Age or the even before. Agriculture and pastoralism. The people in the Iron Age practiced agriculture, domesticated cattle and sheep, and some of the groups were still hunting and gathering. Millets and rice were the cultivation, irrigation management development in this period. Seen many of the megalithic sites are found nearby river and tank. In the deltic regions, irrigation as a technologically had developed. Evidence of rice is seen in the megalithic sites like Adityanallur in Thoothukudi district or Peruntanal near Palani. People practiced agriculture and domesticated cats and sheep. They cultivate millets and rice. They developed the irrigation also. The megalithic side of Tamil Nadu is Arichanallur, Perandal. There is evidence for their cultivating the millets and the rices in various parts of Tamil Nadu. Iron Age society and poverty. The Iron Age society had farming community, pastoralists and hunter, gatherers, craft specialists, and potters and blacksmiths were the professionals during this period. The society had several groups of peoples, tribes. The size of the burial and the variation found in the burial goods suggest the existence of enormous social groups and their diverse practice. Some of them had organized chiefdoms, cattle lifting leading to war and encroachment and expansion of territories had also started take place in this period. The Iron Age society and polity. So the people were lived in the society form that the society have many occupations like farming communities, pastoralists, hunter gatherers, craft specialists, blacksmith. In this period, people were started the encroachment and expansion of the burials and the variation found in the burials that give the information about the social discrimination of that period. Pottery. Pottery is a important evidence found in a archaeological site. The Iron Age and Sangam Age people used in a black and red color to make black ware and red ware potteries. Potteries were used for cooking, storage and dining purpose. The black and red ware pottery has a black inside and red outside lustric surface. Potteries is one of the important evidence found in the archaeological sites. They were used black and red colors. It were used for cooking, storage and dining the food. Iron technology and metal tools. The megalithic burials have abandoned iron objects placed in the burials as grave goods. Weapons such as swords and daggers, axes, stands are also found. Some of these objects were held to wooden or bone or horn handle and used. The iron tools were used for agriculture, hunting, gathering and in battles. Bronze vessels, bowls with stylish finish decorated with animal or birds, bronze mirrors and bells have also found. Iron technology and metal tools. More iron objects were found in megalithic burials. They were used weapons, the iron tools, bronze bowls, vessels, bells, bronze mirrors. The evidence found in Adichanallur and Auroville in Puducherry. So the people using the iron in this period, so they consider this period is known as the Iron Age. Okay, the lesson is completed. Thank you.